Lord, then how she looks so prosy. Lord, the New Year must agree with her. In prosy laka. Lord, in prosy, bruh. Prosy. Jamaican, say you prosy, mean you're looking good. Laka, mean like. Welcome to Jamaican Culture with Shar. Happy New Year to everyone. I hope the New Year finds you in the best of health. And to all my subscribers, to those who have not subscribed, and to those who plan, me not ready yet. I pray that you'll be ready one day. And I thank you all from the bottom of my heart. I do appreciate it. Every minute, every hour. I thank you so much. And I pray for continuous blessing upon each and every one of us. In today's video, I will be sharing another aspect of our Jamaican culture, the history behind our parishes. Montego Bay. Mobia, 1 seat left. Road driver. Mommy, you come. One more seat. Yes, there's history behind them. History. Why were there parishes? What does the parishes represent? The parishes of Jamaica are the main units of local government. They were created following the English invasion of Jamaica. Yes. In 1664, the Spanish relinquished control of Jamaica to the British. Then Sir Thomas Muddyford, who was the governor of Jamaica from 1664 to 1671, he divided the land of wood and water into 7 administrative units known as parishes. Who was Thomas Muddyford? Yes, he was a former governor. Yeah, he was born in the United Kingdom. He was also a planter of Barbados. A planter of Barbados. You know, we have other definitions, more than one definitions. Planter. Okay, I'll give you one. A manager or owner of a plantation. Okay. At one point, Jamaica recorded up to 22 parishes. Yes. It was 7, then we have 22. Yes. In the 19th century. In 1862, the number of parishes in Jamaica was reduced from 22 to 14 because some parishes become melded into others, leaving the final number at 14, which was implemented the 1st of May, 1867. If you find this video informative, please like, share, and thank you. Continuation on the history behind our parishes. Why was Jamaican divided in parishes? What they were thinking of back then. Yeah? The English who took over in 1655 decided that all these ranches were not only too large to be bearing one name and one boundary, but also that the country needed a better administrative structure, which gave birth to the first parish, which is St. Catholic. If you find this video informative, like, share, and subscribe. Welcome back. How did the parishes got their names? Most parishes were named after governors of Jamaica, their wives, or kings of England. Example, like St. James, named after King James II by Sir Thomas Muddyford. Yes. St. Thomas was named after Thomas Hickman, Lord Windsor, yes, former governor of Jamaica. so we know how they get their names. Just a little, share a little with, some of the names. Remember we have up at one point 22 parishes, so I just want to share a little, of the parishes. Then we have parishes like St. Dorothy's. We have parishes like St. David. We have parishes like we have St. Dorothy, St. George's, St. Marie, yes. We know St. James, and more on, but those are just a little. St. John's, well, we know Port Royal, St. David, St. Andrew, St. Thomas East, right? Most of those parishes, they were located mainly in the mid to the southeastern region of the island. So we know a little history behind our parishes. As I said, everything in Jamaica have some history. Yes, some history behind it. If you find this video informative, please like, yes I beg you, share and subscribe. And once again, Happy New Year. And thanks for watching.